Okay guys, welcome back. It's Madden Mobile King here, and I'm doing a little pack opening. I can only do 2 pro packs right now. My other account, I have like tons of packs. I have 15, I think. They're all variety. So let's just open these pro packs, see what we can get. Oh, DeAndre Hopkins. Oh, we get a double gold pack. We already have DeAndre Hopkins, but that's pretty good for me. Because I'm freaking bored. Well, let's open this next pack. And we're gonna get a Eddie Royal. Alright. Alright, so let me go back to my other account. Alright, I'm back. And, yeah, so let's get started. I have 1 pro pack in here. 5 free agents, 4 scrimmages, and 4 all-rookie blitz packs, and 1 stupid daily warm-up. So first, I think we're gonna start with the scrimmage packs. Let's start with the scrimmage packs. First pack, we get a Kyrie Thornton, Kiri, I don't know. But players are players. I like them. Bronze trophy. Alright. Reveal all. Ooh, we got a silver Damian Wilson. That's good. Okay. Reveal all. Edmond Robinson. Okay, whatever. We're gonna do the all rookie blitz now. Let's see what we can get. Running back. Alright, next pack we get a tight end. Alright. A wide receiver. Okay. So we got 3 offensive. And then a cornerback. Next we're going to do free agent packs. Boom. Free agent collectible. Boom. Bronze trophy. Alright. 100 coins. Jeez. Collectible. And a collectible. Let's just open this stupid daily warm-up pack. Okay, boom, whatever. And now we have another pro pack, so let's open it up. Hopefully we get something good, please. Okay, we get a Jack Doyle. That was really garbage, honestly. Auction, sell. Alright, look at this pack opening right here. We got a lot of collectibles. Well, not really a lot, but let's search for these cornerback things. All rookie resets. Yeah. Not found. What do you search up then? Like cornerback. Okay. Cornerback. No. Okay. I look really dumb right now. All rookie collectible. Can we put these up on the auction block? We can't even put them on the auction block. I'm dumb. Okay. So what? Is there a set? Oh, well, there is. I don't have it packed. Yeah, there's some right here. So, trying to put in here? Nope. Okay. In here? Oh, no. Alright. Is this it? Nope. Oh, here you go. We can get a collectible. A rookie player pack? Oh, that's cool. Okay. I think we're gonna put this, so crossed. Oh shoot. wide receiver, tight end, run back, cone back. There we go. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time. And goodbye.